Have you come to one of my LinkedIn or social media workshops and now you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed and you're not really sure how to implement what you've learned? Maybe this applies to other workshops you've attended, or maybe you've watched a video, attended a webinar, or read an article and you're not sure what to do next. Well, this program is for you. So you can access myself and other digital marketing experts as part of the Australian Small Business Advisory Service Digital Solutions Program, which is offered by Business Station. So you can book me to help you implement what you've learnt, or look at your pages, look at your profiles, and get it working better for you. So I'm Jo Saunders. I'm a marketing strategist and social media educator, and I work with people like you, business owners, who are trying to build their business and are feeling overwhelmed because there is a lot to do in the digital marketing space. So to get going, you need to register with Business Station with their website and then book me for an advisory session. So on the website, you go to businessstation.com.au. At the very top, register as a client and sign up and start the process. So you'll need to hit register as a new user if you haven't already registered and used the service before. Follow the process, add your ABN, and then register. Make sure you get the email, confirm, and off you go. Here it is, and click the link. So of course now you can log into the website. Now you've got the details. So when you log in, you'll need to complete your details in the portal. So your name, obviously your name, your email, your phone number, and all those sorts of things. You'll need to start a needs analysis to get going. So once you've done it once, it's done. So take a few minutes. It might take up to 5 minutes to complete. So you work through the process and fill out the questions and tick that you've read the terms and conditions and submit it. And then once you've done that, you're now registered on the website, and now you can book me. Now you need to go into this area. When you're logged in, you've got the client portal. So you can see your upcoming appointments, you can book an advisor, you can see the events that are coming up and see what you've registered for, and there's your profile. So if you want to book a session with me, so initially kick off with a 1 hour, what I'm calling a digital discovery session. It's an advisory session as part of this program. And then from there, once we've worked out what your needs are, we can map out a bit of a roadmap, and then we can book the additional sessions. And I tend to work in 2 hour blocks because 1 hour is really not enough to unpack your needs and learn and ask the right questions. But the initial 1 hour is 1 hour is fine. And we can do that via Zoom. So you can do it from your office. I can do it from mine. We don't need to travel anywhere. So you go to the social media and digital marketing area and click online or phone to get that 1 hour session to kick it off. And then you'll need to find me. So you'll search for me, or you'll scroll down to find me in that area. And then click book online phone to get the session. And then, of course, we click to continue to book. Now, it's going to look at my calendar availability. Now, if you've received this invitation from me, I've specified some days that are most suitable for me to do this. But of course, this talks to my actual calendar. So if you pick a time where it's not going to be really convenient for me, like if I haven't put something in my own calendar, I'll let you know and we'll reschedule it. But just see what's available, book in that first hour, and off we go. And it's $40 a session, $40 per hour. So obviously the 1 hour session is just that. Now, if this is your first time with the program, it's $20. So book that in, pay for it, and off you go. You'll get a confirmation with all the details. And of course, you can see your bookings in your appointment section now. It should show up in here. Now, if you want to book ahead, you can book up to a month ahead. So once we've done this session and we've decided what the plan looks like, you might decide to book a weekly session with me, so 2 hours each week, or maybe it's fortnightly, depending on your availability. So then you can go into here and book. Now with the 2 hour blocks, which I said at the minimum as to how I work, you have to book them both individually, unfortunately. So you'll have to go in, pick a time for an hour, book, pay, then you need to repeat the process for the next hour. And if you want to book another advisor, of course, you can look for them as well. And this is how you search for people in the back end. And you've got all these different filters. So there are multiple ways of finding me, whether you go into that particular category and look for me, whether you do a search and find me. And if you find me in the shortlist here, you can book in face-to-face or virtual. So virtual is obviously via Zoom. Face-to-face is if you're going to be meeting me. Now, at the moment for June, my availability is on a Friday in Balcatta. I've set up some times already. There will be other times I'm available, but it's going to depend on my schedule and where I am. So there might be times I'm in the city, for instance. There might be times I'm delivering a workshop in a different area, and I might have a couple of sessions available immediately afterwards. So I'll let you know if you're looking for other requirements. So this is you can, like I said, you can book me, and also you can book me for workshops and webinars. So I've got a whole range of workshops I'm delivering, also at Balcatta. I think it's the last Friday of every month. There'll be a workshop about a very specific topic of LinkedIn. There are going to be a regular webinar series as well. Plus, I deliver workshops in different areas. So I might be in Joondalup, I might be in Gosnells. Sometimes I'm in Rockingham, Armidale. There are various areas I'm going to be. And I deliver a range of LinkedIn workshops. I also deliver social media scheduling workshops using a tool called Agora Pulse as the primary tool, but we also look at Hootsuite. I also deliver some social media overview workshops to go through the basics of each platform and where they fit in for your business. So have a look at what you're looking for. And this is a link to look at all the upcoming workshops. But in your portal, you can go to events, go to WA and find them that way as well. And that will take you to the Eventbrite page for the program. And now you're not going to see which ones are my workshops. You're going to have to look at the topics. Now, there is another presenter that is delivering some LinkedIn workshops. So make sure you pick the one, that is mine if you're looking to specifically to attend my workshops. But have a look at the whole program, because there are some great presenters as part of the program. And workshops are less than $20 to attend, so another no-brainer. So LinkedIn, as you know, is the platform I specialize in. These are some of the reasons to use LinkedIn. It's the largest professional network. It's a job network. It's a company network. It's a content database. 2 new members per second of the user base of 610 million users. 44% are using it monthly, and 40% of those use it daily. And the growing network of users is millennials. So have a think about your own presence, and how I can help you build it, because LinkedIn is indexed by Google. Just Google yourself and see where your LinkedIn profile shows up. Now, if you've done no work on it, that's a reason to do work on it, because people are going to be Googling you. You want to build your professional presence, you want to look at your network, and you want to look at your content strategy. And they're 3 of the areas we look at. I've got workshops on these topics, plus many more. So book in with me. If you're looking for face-to-face, like I said, Fridays in Balcatta. I'm in Karratha this month as well, so there could be some times there, but until I know the conference schedule, I won't know the times. But you've got the times for the Zoom sessions as well, so I really look forward to working with you. So thanks very much for watching this quick video, and hopefully it's helped you understand how to navigate the system and book in via businessstation.com.au. Thanks very much.